Hi friends, this is Barbara back with another crock-pot meal. Today we're going to have Salisbury steak meatballs. Okay, first we're going to start off with 3 cups of beef broth. 3 cups of beef broth. And a package of brown gravy. And then a package of onion soup. One tablespoon of ketchup. And 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Okay, and then from there, we're going to just stir it up. You can serve this over noodles, potatoes, any way you make your potatoes. All right, and then I'm going to throw in some home-style meatballs. This happens to be a 32 ounce. All right, turning it on high. And we're going to cook that 4 to 6 hours. We have one more step to do, and I'll be right back with you so we can get her done. Okay, friends, and we're back. Our next step. Oh, look at those meatballs. Oh, sorry, can't even see them. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Like, they look good. Okay, so we're going to mix up 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of cornstarch. That's what I got. That's what I got right there. Okay. And now we're just going to pour that slurry after you mix it up. We're going to pour that in there. And then we're going to stir it. We're going to come back here in about, I don't know, 30 minutes. Gosh, it looks like it's already thickened up pretty good. This is extremely very hot. Yeah, it thickened up real nice already. Okay, I'm going to put the crock pot back on. And I'm going to get a bowl. Okay, I just put some potatoes in a bowl. And I'm just going to scoop up. Oh, gee, that is amazing. Look at the thickness of that gravy. Delicious. Yeah, that turned out really good. And I know it's extremely hot. I do not want to burn my tongue, but it smells scrumptious. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. Love you, friends. Bye.